All right, Dana, sounds like the theme tomorrow is if you're headed out, just bundle up.
Yeah, we haven't had a ton of stretches this winter where it's felt truly cold, but that's kind of what the end of the week and the beginning of this weekend is really going to have in store, especially with those wind chills. The wind will really do a number on you if you're not wearing the right type of jacket. But for today, we kind of had a tale of two states. If you're in the southern part of the state near Portland and down through the mid-coast, you saw plenty of cloud cover out there today. But if you were in northern Maine, it ended up being a pretty nice day with plenty of sunshine out there. The reason is because we have a system that's passing to our south, but we aren't going to see any precipitation with this, just some cloud cover that'll linger throughout the overnight hours. Now, overnight tonight is going to be pretty cold out there once again. Temperatures in the single digits throughout most of the state, even getting into the negatives into Rangeley and Berlin and Freiburg. So overall, it's going to be a very, very cold night out there. So be sure you bundle up, especially tonight and over the next couple of days. I'm going to keep saying it because it'll keep being true. Cold is really the name of the game of this forecast. Now, as we get into the day tomorrow, it is going to be the coldest overall day of the stretch in both wind chill and regular temperature. It's also not going to feel as warm because we aren't going to have the sunshine to kind of make it feel a little nicer kind of in the middle of the day. We'll start out mostly cloudy and then end up basically overcast by the time we get to around midday. The good news is that we will have some more sunshine as we get into the day on Sunday. Most of those clouds will stream out of there late Saturday night, and we'll start out a little bit warmer Sunday morning, but overall a much sunnier day out there for Sunday than on Saturday. But still, it's going to be another cold one out there really over the next couple of days. A bit more cloud cover on Monday, but that's when we finally start to break out of this streak of exceptionally cold weather. Now, it is going to be a little bit breezy over the next couple of days, which is going to make it feel a lot colder than it actually is out there. Saturday, wind gusts between 15 to 20 miles per hour, a bit windier on Sunday, I think, especially in the afternoon. Wind gusts between 20 and 25 miles per hour makes it feel a lot colder out there. So that's why I'm going to talk a little bit about the wind chill, especially for tomorrow morning. So this is tomorrow at 8 a.m. Wind chills in the negatives all the way down to the coast, -2 in Portland, -5 in Wiscasset. So very, very cold to start tomorrow morning. We get a little bit better as we get into midday on Saturday. Wind chills in the single digits as opposed to single digits under zero. And then we'll start to get a little bit warmer as we get into Sunday, still starting out the day with pretty cold wind chills. And then we'll get a little bit warmer each day as we go, as we get into the beginning and middle of next week. But we still got a pretty cold stretch coming up before we start getting a little bit warmer. Now, the next chance of precipitation looks to be for late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Looks like it's going to be a bit of a light snow showers, a kind of wintry mix depending on the area. A little bit warmer towards the coast, a little bit more sun, or a little bit more snow, excuse me, up in northern Maine. And that looks to be our big next chance of precipitation. So marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, got that small craft advisory in effect until tomorrow morning. So for our 7-day forecast, cold is the name of the game over the next couple of days. Be sure you bundle up because those wind chills definitely make it feel colder than it actually is out there. But then things kind of warm up as we get in over the next couple of days, especially as we get into the middle of next week. Then our next chance of precipitation looks to be kind of like a wintry mix for Wednesday and into the beginning of the day on Thursday. So Brian and Amanda, is kind of cold a little bit. Then we kind of even out in terms of temperature, but it's been a tough winter for winter sports if you're a fan of that.
Oh, for sure. Well, we're just at the beginning, so hopefully things get better.
Yeah, we got this weekend ahead. So if you like winter sports, it'll be good for this weekend.
All right, Dana, just bundle up. Thank you.